All right, Coop. We have a full training schedule for today, so we better get started.
No dice, Red.
Whoops! Did I do that? One down, 1 million to go.
You idiot!
Nice one, Coop.
I intend to wipe your entire species from the face of the universe.
Oh, did the poor glorp fall down?
Silence! I refuse to listen to your incessant blithering any further.
Watch where you're going! Look out!
I think you stepped in something, Coop. Nice one, Coop. Aw, I think you're gonna cry.
Prepare to experience destruction on a massive scale!
Gee, I hope you have a low deductible.
Look out!
Whoops! Did I do that?
Bingo! Gee, I hope you have a low deductible.
Lock and load!
Look out! You idiot!
Looks like someone has a bad case of kabooms!
We're going to need more ammo soon. Watch where you're...
Someone get me some ammo!
We're going to need more ammo soon.
This is more fun than eating squirt cheese out of a can.
Who put the building there anyway?
Watch where you're going. Look out! You idiot!
Nice one, Coop. Who put the building there anyway?
Watch where you're going. Look out! You idiot!
Nice one, Coop. Who put the building there anyway?
Watch where you're going. Look out!
Timber!
You got lucky this time, Simeon.
Try to conserve ammo, Coop. What's that smell?
Who put the building there anyway?
Whoops! Did I do that? That's what you get for double barking. Oops! My bad.
You got lucky this time, Simeon.
You're asking for it. Clean up on aisle 5.
Watch where you're going. Look out!
Perspective. Oops. My bad. No more Mr. Nice Guy. Perspective.
Give me a damage report.
Stop him!
That is
Great job.
Who put the building there anyway?
Watch where you're going. Look out!
Bullseye. Nice one, Coop.
Clean up on aisle 5. Slime ball in the corner pocket.
Look out! You idiot!
Looks like someone has a bad case of kaboom! Whoops! Did I do that? Take that, squid face. Oops! My bad. Timber!
Great job.
Lock and load.
You got lucky this time, Simeon.
Watch where you're going!
Clean up on aisle 5.
You idiot!
Nice one, Coop.
Clean up on aisle 5.
This is not how I wanted to spend my weekend. Watch where you're going!
Timber! That's what I like to call the coup de grace.
Try to conserve ammo, Coop.
Who put the building there anyway?
This is more fun than eating short cheese out of a can. Hey! You're asking for it.
You idiot!
Nice one, Coop. Who put the building there anyway?
Do you have any idea what you're doing? Watch where you're going! Look out! You idiot! The idea is to avoid getting hit.
Perfecto. Lock and load. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
You idiot!
That's gonna leave a mark. Who put the building there anyway?
Whoops. Did I do that?
You idiot!
Nice one, Coop. Who put the building there anyway?